Okay, we are multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. Hopefully you know that that one's the binomial and the other one's the trinomial. First off, this is basically just like distributing. So like if I ignore that x plus for a minute and just say I would distribute this 3 to each of them, okay, I'm going to do that, but I also have to distribute the x to all of them. And maybe you can tell why I call this the giant clam method. You see how this looks like the top part of a clam and this other part looks like the bottom part of a clam? And just a little side note, never stick your hand into the giant clam in the ocean because they'll shut and then your hand is stuck in there. And then if you're at the bottom of the ocean, eventually your oxygen tank runs out and that's a really bad thing. So anyway, back to the multiplying it out part. I'm going to do it step by step and show you each little part. This part, I'm going to do the 3 times the x squared. And that's 3x squared, 3 times the 2x plus 6x, 3 times the 1, 3 times 1 is 3. And now I'm going to go do the other part from down below here, the x times the x squared makes x to the third. Now I'm going to put that to the left here and say x to the third. And these are all just going to get added up, so it really doesn't matter. I'm just trying to keep them kind of organized. Now the x times the 2x, that makes 2x squared. That's positive 2x squared. Notice I put that right underneath the 3x squared. That way these guys can all just be added up in a moment. All right, now this x times the 1 makes plus 1x. And again, I put that right underneath the 6x. That way it'll add nicely. Now, it's all said and done. I just add it all up. I have only one x to the third, so it's x to the third. Plus 3x squared plus 2x squared makes 5x squared. And then 6x plus 1x makes 7x. And the last one is plus 3. And there is your big scary answer to this binomial times a trinomial. There's no system like FOIL, first outside, inside, last. You just distribute each piece. All right. Have a great day.